Hello everyone, so let's solve question number 36 of psychology paper of GATE 2024. The question says percentage of scores between mean and plus minus 1 standard deviation in a normal distribution is closest to. Now इसका एक बहुत ही simple rule है, आप options देख सकते हैं 68%, 34%, 95% 99% हमारे पास यहाँ पे options हैं. If we look at the easiest way through which you can solve it, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास आता है एक empirical rule जिसको हम बोलते हैं, we call it 68, 95 and 99.7 rule. Now as per this rule, 68 would the data falls within one standard deviation, whereas 95% data falls within 2 standard deviation and 99.7% data fall within 3 standard deviation. So इस हिसाब से one standard deviation का question में आपको पूछा गया है and the answer would be +1 -1 standard deviation in a normal distribution. The answer over here is your 68%, which is option A.